Apple's next generation smartwatch expected to arrive alongside with the iPhone 13 series in September, while we are still a few months away from the launch event. A fresh report has popped up to suggest that Apple Watch Series 7 will ship with a bigger battery, and this will be possible by the use of the smaller S7 chipset. Through previous leaks, we have known that Apple Watch Series 7 is in for new design change. The smartwatch is tipped to have flatter display, narrow bezels and ultra-wideband functionality. Moreover, the device may also get slightly thicker. While strong assumptions were being made about the arrival of features like blood glucose and body temperature tracking, it's now reported that these features will be pushed to feature two future Apple Watch iterations. Now that we have the brief idea about the expected changes on the Apple Watch Series 7, we decided to talk about it in details. Apple Watch Series 7 specs and features. The next Apple smartwatch is said to feature larger battery according to reports from the Economics Daily News. Apple will use smaller S7 chip that will free up the space for bigger battery. In other reports, Ming-Chi Kuo said that smartwatch will be slightly thicker than its predecessor. He also claimed that Apple would skip health sensor for the upcoming model and introduce them in a 2022 model, thus leaving some empty rooms for battery upgradation. Apple Watch Series 7 was supposed to feature a couple of health-focused sensors. However, recent reports suggest that the rumored blood glucose and body temperature sensor will ship in the 2022 model. For this year, Apple has tested thinner display border and new lamination technique to bring a display closer to front cover. It is also get updated ultra-wideband functionality similar to what we have seen in Apple AirTags. Bloomberg reports claim that the Apple is planning to release a rugged version of Apple Watch. This is often referred to as Explorer or Adventurous editions. It was said too that this model would be available as early as this year, but fresh reports suggest that it likely to arrive in 2022. Some time back on a YouTube channel, Jon Prosser revealed that complete design of the Apple Watch Series 7. According to renders, the smartwatch will feature flat display as seen on the latest Apple product, while the overall footprint will remain same. Bezels may get even smaller on the Apple Watch Series 7. Prosser also said that its new watch will bring new color options including green variant. Apple Watch Series 7 release date. Apple has had a consistent track record when it comes to launch of Apple Watches. The brand has been launching Apple Watch in September since its inception, so it's likely that Apple Watch Series 7 will arrive in September this year again. Apple Watch Series 7 price. Apple Watch Series 7 is expected to see a few, mostly on the design front. We are guessing that it will not affect the pricing on the Apple Watch Series 7, as the brand has been pretty static with the same. The current iterations, that is the Apple Watch Series 7, start at $399, so upcoming watch may ship at same price. In the next iterations, the bezels may become smaller and it expected to provide some new color options for the first smartwatches. Some reports claim that next generation of Apple Watch will provide blood glucose monitoring. Apple also released a poll asking people about their health monitoring habits, including whether they are use drugs and blood sugar monitoring app. Apple Watch Series 7 should also have a miniature LED display. The function should have appeared in the current iterations, but it did not appear, so we assume that it will appear in the next model. The patent indicates that the Apple smartwatches may require major battery upgrade, and the patent also suggests that the battery can be inserted into the bracelet itself, thereby doubling the battery life of the smartwatch in order to obtain Apple Watch Series 7.